U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo is in the Middle East for security talks. He is seeking to build opposition to Iranian aggression in the area. In Mozambique, people are remembering those killed as a result of Cyclone Idai during 3 days of national mourning that began Wednesday. British Prime Minister Theresa May says she has asked the European Council to extend negotiations on her country's EU membership until June 30th. And in Kazakhstan, Kassym-Jomart Tokayev is sworn in as acting president after the surprise resignation of the country's longtime ruler.